Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Smart Deadbolt has features like entry via your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone, as well as phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock, auto unlock when your hands are full, an anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easy. Give visitors like Airbnb guests temporary access codes.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
Distribute favors to your friends and family.
And wanna hate this,
And the app lets you manage and leave logs of who is
everything I do so
The
instinctive
ULTRALOQ
and so
U-Bolt
passionate.
is a
Every word I
simple
move so
and safe
descriptive like an
security
adjective.
solution.
I got a vendetta
And this peace
against
of mind
people
just
who
takes
patented
minutes
being
to install.
negative when you should be
With
getting
U-Bolt,
after it.
you will never get locked out.
I got facts
Just
over
use the
facts
provided
over tracks.
backup
This
keys
and that.
if you miss the
Slow,
low
speaking
battery.
fast, I could roast, I could
U-Bolt,
gas. Think
the
I'm
most
okay at
advanced
last, but I
smart
don't
deadbolt.
know if that can erase all